Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine using the Timewise Miracle 3D set. Here are all my goodies that I'm going to be using today, and this is a removable zip pouch from my MaryKay travel roll-up bag. I made a video about that before, so please go check that out. This is right here behind me. Whenever you're going on a trip, you can hang it on in your bathroom. Easy access, removable zip pouches. You can't ask for more, so please go check that out. All right, let's get started. So the very first step that I do is I grab my MaryKay oil-free eye makeup remover, and I'm going ahead and just, take my makeup off my eyes. Okay, so once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and grab our cleanser. And I know, you're probably asking, why do I have two cleansers? So let me explain. The purple is for combination to oily skin. So if you have combination to oily skin, this is the one for you. And if you have normal to dry skin, the pink is the one for you. Guys, I feel so refreshed already. We just washed our face. So the third step is the day cream or night cream, whether you're washing your face in the day or at night. So here is the day cream and here is the night cream. Again, same thing applies. Purple combination to oily and pink normal to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the day cream right now. Alright guys, the last thing is the eye cream, and we're going to go ahead and put them on our ring finger. Now you're probably asking, our ring finger, really? Yes. The reason why we use our ring finger is because it is the weakest finger. We're going to go and pat under and around our eyes so we don't stretch our skin around our eyes. That was it, you guys. The reason why I love this product is because you guys can see improvement in the look of your skin after just 12 weeks. Not only does it help improve signs of aging, but it helps improve dark circles, puffiness under your eyes, fine lines and wrinkles. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.